Hello guys, how you are doing? Welcome back to Even Love Family. So guys, today I'm going to be doing the Mary Kay skincare product. If you haven't watched the last video I did regarding skincare, if you haven't watched it, check it out there. Yeah, here I was showing you guys the skincare product that I got for my face and that I'm gonna be telling you guys or sharing with you guys when I start using it. So guys, today I'm going to be using the skincare product, so we're gonna see how it looks on me. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, turn on the notification bell so you get to be notified when we upload new videos. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to be using my Mary Kay Timewise Repair Foamy Cleanser. So the way I'm going to be using this, I'm going to be applying it on my face and wiping with a damp towel, or rather say a wet towel. So first I'm going to be putting a little water on my face, then apply this one. So let's go. I'm just going to apply a little water. You can still do it the other way around, like applying it and washing it off. So I'm just going to do it this way. So I'm going to apply a little of this, just a little bit. You don't need much, just a little, like this. Just this is very sufficient. So I'm just gonna use, you see how, wow, it foams. So I'm just gonna apply this like this on my forehead, here. You can as well apply it on your neck, okay? Or this option, and you can do it if you want to on your neck, okay? But I like applying it on my neck. Yeah, so you see, so I'm gonna wipe it off in few seconds. Okay, so I have my towel here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the warm water so I can be able to wipe it off. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's wet, so I'm just going to apply and wipe off. Yeah, just this circular movement. Yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna take it off. Okay. Yeah. A little bit. You can still just wash it off with water, but I prefer using a wet towel with just a little warm water. Okay, yeah. So now I've applied, washed it off, clean my neck. Yeah. Okay, just the first, and the face is looking so fresh already. So the next step, we're going to be applying this Timewise Repair Lifting Serum. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is very good. It's very good. Actually, this serum is recommended for women above 50 plus, so it helps them regenerate their skin. But I'm not up to 50, but you can still use it even if you are less than 50. It helps you, at least you're working on your skin ahead of time, right? So I'm just gonna apply a little of this, just a little pop on my fingers, just a little, as you can see. Yeah, just this little amount, a little, yeah. I like putting it on the concentrated part that I need it for. You can as well apply it in all over your face, but I prefer applying it here because I have more like acne a little bit, so I prefer put it in here so it can go faster. Okay, so maybe I can just add a little bit more. Yeah, okay. And the next one we're going to be using is the Mary Kay Timewise Repair Volume Eye Renewal Cream. Yeah, this is how it looks. Eye Renewal Cream. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks. So I'm just going to apply on my eyes. Yeah, look how cool it looks. So if you watched the last video I did, the skincare specialist that attended to me told me that you have to apply, if you're applying cream on your eyes, it has to be with this finger, which is like married, where you put the wedding ring, on this finger, this one, sorry, this one, this finger. So I'm going to be using this, just a little pop, yeah, just little like this, and you just tap at the bone. There's a bone that you have here up your eyelid. You just tap over it here. You don't just go no, you just tap, okay, just like this. It functions properly because the eyes are very sensible. Here, yeah, up here where you have the bones over here. So there's a tiny bone up here, up your eyelid. Yeah, just here. So we're gonna put on the other eye. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, like this. Just tap like this with this same finger, okay, like this. Okay, oh, looks so refreshing. Yeah, see how it looks. Okay, yeah, so we are done with this, and we're going to use, actually I got the cream for the Volu-Firm night treatment, and also the Volu-Firm day cream. So you can use this one on the daytime, which it has SPF 30 that helps you with the sun. It's also a sunscreen, right? So it's going to help you with the sun when you go out. It helps you to prevent the sun from entering into your skin so much, okay? So since I'm going to bed, I'm not going to be using this one. This one is meant for the day, just as you see it's written on it. Mary Kay Timewise Repair Firm Day Cream with SPF 30. So I'm not going to be using this one. This one is meant for the day. So I'm going to be using this one that's meant for night. You put it on your face before you go to bed, okay? So when you wake up, your face feels refreshed and regenerated. It works while you are sleeping, okay? So I'm going to be using this one. So guys, Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you have, share this video so other ladies can enjoy what you're enjoying. Okay, do that. Thank you. So this is how it looks, just as I showed you guys when I was unboxing. So it comes out when you push, like with a pop. So you just press, you see, and a little amount comes out. Yeah, and then this one will be enough. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply just little like this on the face. So I'm just going to rub all over on a circular motion. Okay. Yeah. Wow, it feels so fresh on the skin. Yeah, let me put a little. Just a little is so sufficient. It can last for like 6 to 9 months if you use it properly. Okay, so it's not just skincare that you buy and in 2 months time it's done, you have to buy another one, right? It's good quality, good product, and it lasts for a long time. So guys, you see how it looks? So I have this on now, go to bed and have my skin well regenerated. Yeah, you can, even if you still have leftovers, you just close and use it the next day. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is how my skin look after using the Mary Kay skincare products. The best at that, the best of the best. So guys, if you're interested, I know most of you will be wondering, where did you get this product? I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. You tap the link and it takes you directly to where you can, the website where you can get the product, any product of your choice. Okay, so let's make a review of how my skin look now. Yeah, it's glowing, right? Wow, beautiful. Yeah, so guys, we're done with this video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you. Love you. Peace.